Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can remove the noise of your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Adobe Premiere Pro, and now we have to click on the new project option. And now we have to click on the new project option. And after clicking on the new project, we have to choose the video which we want to import. For example, I'm going to choose this one random. I'm going to choose this one random, and we have to click on this again. And now what we have to do, simply we have to press the Control I, and after pressing the Control I, we have to choose the video, that in which video we want to remove the noise. For example, I want to remove the noise of this video. So we have to select this. And after that, as you can see, now simply we have to go to the editing option first here. So we have to go to the editing option. And now simply we have to import this video here. I'm going to put this one, and we have to delete this part here, and I'm going to make this here. Now simply we have to go to the audio option. So let's click on the audio. And after going to the audio, now simply we have to go to the effects options, and here we have to search for the denoise option. You will get the denoise. So we have to put that on the video. As you can see, I'm going to click on this option, and we have to put this on the audio layer. And as you can see, now it is applied, and now your audio will be removed now. So in this way, you can remove the noise of your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.